Let's make a traffic police cap today. Take a A3 size paper and fold it into a horizontal half fold. Press the folds. Fold it vertically at approximately 6 centimeters from one of the sides. Match the edges carefully while folding the paper. Take same measurements to the other side of the paper and fold it exactly the way we have folded to the previous side of the paper. Push down the corner to fold it like a house. Do not forget to like the video. Repeat the same fold to the other side to make 2 houses on both the sides. Press the fold using fingers and nails. Fold half of the house towards the back from both the sides. Hold the paper from down and fold it up at the bottom edge of the triangles as shown. This will lead to some extra paper at the top. Turn the paper around and repeat all the steps on the other side. Make sure you align both the papers together. Mark the extra paper from above using finger. Now fold the extra paper carefully as shown. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications to all. Turn the paper around and repeat all the folds again on the other side. Make sure that you press the fold all over nicely. Apply a drop of a glue at both the corners. Fold the corners and fix it inside the pockets formed during to house folds. Glue will secure the folds in, and folds won't open while opening the cap. Turn the cap around and repeat the process again carefully. Share this video with your friends and family. Because creativity is contagious, let's spread it along. Now, take yellow rectangular paper and cut it into a long leaf shape as shown. We are now just a few steps away from finishing our cap. Fold the shape in half horizontally. We'll be fixing it on our cap now. Apply glue carefully on the edges of the shape. Paste it at the center of any side of the cap as shown. Open your cap carefully using fingers and thumbs. Turn it around and give it the shape of the cap with gentle press with thumbs as shown in the video. Your cap is now ready. You can use it as a prop for various performances. Write me in the comments if you like this tutorial video. Thanks for watching.